Atlas Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if one simple card could handle most of your daily spending, while quietly stacking travel rewards in the background? That's the idea behind the Atlas Credit Card, and the surprising truth is that many people ignore it without realizing how much value they're missing. Atlas is a flexible rewards card built for everyday life. You earn bonus rewards on dining, groceries, gas, and travel. Everything else still earns a solid base rate, so you are always building value with every purchase. The welcome bonus alone can often cover a domestic flight or a weekend hotel stay. Most people think only airline-branded cards give real travel value, but Atlas proves that wrong. It also includes travel insurance, purchase protection, and no foreign transaction fees. This means your card protects your money while you spend it. There is a moderate annual fee, but most versions include credits that can offset the cost if you use them. If you want flexible rewards without juggling multiple cards, Atlas is quietly one of the strongest options of 2025. Verdict: worth it for everyday spenders who travel at least once per year.